Are your internal alerts getting lost in emails? With SMS Mobile API, you can send internal notifications directly to connected mobile phones through a private app-based notification channel. Notifications can be sent automatically through the API or manually from the dashboard. The API is incredibly powerful, allowing you to trigger notifications from any project, website, ERP, or custom management system. It's built for seamless professional integration. Confidentiality is a top priority. Because notifications travel through SMS Mobile API's own private app-based system, your internal alerts remain secure and separate from public channels. This gives your business a faster, cleaner, and more controlled way to manage internal alerts, reduce email overload, and track everything from one centralized system. Perfect for new user registrations, payment events, support tickets, technical incidents, and device monitoring. SMS Mobile API helps you modernize internal communication with mobile-first notifications, dashboard control, and powerful API integration. Visit smsmobileapi.com to get started today.